Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I am still trying to upload Vlogmas Day 1 and 2. I have been having it on upload since about, I don't know, 7 or 8 o'clock last night. It's now 12 hours later, and it's at like 88%. Our internet is awful. So today I need to play catch up on my exercises. I didn't do yesterday's exercise, so I need to do that, and then I need to do today's exercise. And then it is starting homeschooling today. Not starting, but start of the week, because it's Monday. So you guys get to come along to our homeschool adventure. We are learning, there's Minnie. Say hi. Moochie. Moochie. We are going to be learning about dinosaurs and the ocean today, as well as like our math and history and some sign language, so you guys will be able to see that a little bit. I think we are going to go to the library today too. I need to take back some library books, and then I actually have work later tonight, so I'm gonna have to cut this vlog like short, probably at about dinner time, so that I can get it edited and uploaded, or in the process of uploading, while I am at work. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get started. I'm going to start my exercise routine real quick, and then we're going to go downstairs and start homeschooling.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Done we now our gay apparel.
So workout is done. I ended up doing 60, I ended up doing 85 squats and 25 lunges and 25 push-ups. So that's 2 days worth of work. And then I still need to ride the bike for an hour and a half, because I didn't do the day before yesterday, I didn't do yesterday, and I still need to do today, and it's 30 minutes a day. So we'll see if I actually do an hour and a half. That is a lot of exercising. And if you have POTS or know somebody with POTS or don't know what it is, I will link what it is down below for you guys to read up on what it is. And it hurts my heart a lot to exert myself so much. So we'll see exactly what I get going on. But like I said, I am doing the lovely laundry and ordering Jofiel a new harness thing from my favorite harness company. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to doing laundry. I'm gonna turn the camera off so that I can watch YouTube while I fold clothes. And oh my god, guys, look at these bags. I swear I sleep sometimes. Alright, it's gonna do it for now. Gonna get laundry done and then start homeschooling the kids, make sure that they're eating, and then get our work done. And I'll show you guys some of our work.
Look what Buddy set up.
Show me. Whoa, what's that?
Our tree.
That's your tree. Where's Mommy's tree?
I don't know.
Did he put the ornament on there too?
No, I did.
You did?
Mhm.
Oh, well, they're your ornaments, dude. This is their little tree that the elf bought them last year. It's just a 4.5 foot tree. Or 3, stand up. I think it's 3.5 feet. Yeah, I think it's like a 3.5 foot tree with multicolored lights, and it's almost as tall as the kid
The other star.
when the star's on it. So we will decorate the tree after homeschool? Yes?
I just put one of my ornaments on.
You already did put one of your ornaments. It's right
No, I
there.
meant like the ornament I bought.
Oh, yeah. They're out there on the table.
There you go.
So as you saw in our vlog yesterday, we went to Walmart, and the kid got ornaments. Here they are, Bub. Because the littlest one, put that down, that's for Jack. The littlest one got like these earmuff things, so the older one got ornaments for the tree.
This is the only peacock I could find. I found many of these in different colors, but I like this one. Just imagine this, a peacock riding a bird.
That's cool. You know a peacock is a bird. Alright, go stick them on your tree.
The the world. A peacock riding another
Yep, go stick them on your tree.
And do the bonbon shooter.
Hey, stick them on your tree so we can start school. It's 8:30 or it's 8:15.
The bonbon shooter.
He's gonna just be sitting just down.
They're blind ballooned. And number 2.
The blazing, you'll be for us. La 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus.
Perfect.
It's just flying around the top of
I love it. Good job. Alright boys, let's eat breakfast and then get ready for homeschool.
La la, while I tell of Yuletide treasure. La 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 la.
So, taking a break from homeschooling the boys, like they're doing their worksheets, but I had to come upstairs, take this monstrosity of a laundry basket upstairs and put our laundry away. And as you can tell by the not foldedness anymore, the entire basket after it was folded fell on my laundry room floor. And all the laundry went everywhere. I had to refold it, and then I just got really pissed off at the grit and just kind of started tossing things on top of the basket. So, whoops. But I'm going to put away clothes while, what is going on with my hair? I'm going to put away clothes while they are doing their worksheet or eating or whatever it is they're doing. Because my friend made French toast for them, so I think we're just going to put away the laundry and then go double check on them, make sure that they are doing what they're supposed to be doing. And then they're actually almost done for the day, and it's only 10:30. They only have math and English left, so it's been a very productive morning. We started about 2 hours ago, I think. Maybe an hour and a half ago, and they're almost done. So usually their worksheets are what takes them the longest. My oldest does not like doing worksheets, but we have to have some sort of proof that he's done these works, so worksheets are the easiest ones, and it's just like math and English. But he's a very hands-on learner, so we do a lot with science, and with history, we do a lot of hands-on history stuff. And guys, I turn my face one way, like I look so gaunt. Turn my face the other way, and I look so fat. Oh my god. Alright guys, I am going to get this laundry done, and stuff. Always with this stuff, always with the cleaning and the laundry. Is it time for my wife to come home yet? So, it's 11 o'clock. Vlogmas day 1 and 2 finally uploaded. Now I need to upload Joe Field's Vlogmas day 1/2 because I recorded the first day yesterday. So we'll see how long that takes. So it took from like 7 or 8 o'clock last night until 11 o'clock this morning to upload a 20-minute video. I'm not looking forward to trying to upload tonight's video because I'm going to be at work. So, and then the dogs are going stupid because the neighbor behind us dogs are going stupid, and the neighbor behind us doesn't correct her dogs, so like I'm out there trying to correct my dogs and her dogs are so good. It's just a giant freaking mess. And then my kids are fighting with me to do their homework. They're almost done. Like they could be done before lunchtime if they would just do their stuff, and they don't want to.
I don't know.
See, this is my life.
I actually do not know what he likes.
I'm ready for bed.
About this
I have
story.
work tonight at like 11 o'clock at night, and I'm just ready for bed.
Hello. Now I have to do 16 more problems.
Alright guys, so this is going to end Vlogmas for the day. You guys saw me putting together some of my spouse's care package. I will be going through that tomorrow. Since I don't really have anything to do tomorrow, I probably should have made that my video for tomorrow, was decorating that care package. I didn't think this through, but this is her care package down here. Isn't it super cute? I'm excited for it. I hope she's excited for it. Alright guys, like I said, that's going to end the vlog for today. I gotta get ready for work. Be sure to click the red subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up for the 2018 Vlogmas season. And be sure to click the notification bell so it goes ding in your inbox every time we post. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.